spacious living area where there's ample amount of space. So yes, this is the spacious kitchen area and your master bedroom, which is super spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Jayashree. Today we are at Highland Greens by the builder DSR, which is located at Sajapura Road for the sample flat tour. Well, we will get to know a lot in detail about the project. But before that, let's understand what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the builders, thereby giving you a bottom rate price, the best rate possible. Unlike the other current listing platform where you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers and you end up with a lot of unwanted calls. Well, Housey is one such platform where the listing is done directly by the builders. So why wait? Hurry up and go book your dream home directly with the builders through Housey. So let's talk about the project overview. The entire project is built on a land parcel of 10.10 acres with the 4 towers, and the available stories are ground plus basement and 12 floors, and the available variants are 2 and 3 BHK. Talking about the connectivity, this project is just a few minutes away from Decathlon Sajapura and few minutes away from Belenduru, Vasa Road and Electronic City. Talking about the amenities, the project has all the modern amenities such as a gymnasium, clubhouse, party hall, kids play area, kids swimming pool, yoga track and many more. Yes, right now we are in front of 3 BHK sample flat called Highland Greens by the builder DSR, which is located at Sajapura Main Road. So let's get inside. As you walk inside, you can see this spacious living area where there's ample amount of space for your sofa, television unit and table, and this living room has a window over here for ventilation and for natural sunlight. And now it's time to check the dining area. So this is your spacious dining area for your table, chairs, and near the dining area you can find the wash basin with big mirror and storage units as well. And now it's time to check the balcony. So this is the balcony with the French sliding door. So yes, a spacious balcony where there is ample amount of space for your sitting arrangements, plantation, and you can spend your leisure time over here having your coffee or tea. So this is your balcony. Now it's time to check the kitchen area. So yes, this is the spacious kitchen area and there's a window for ventilation. So you can customize it the way you want, just like this, with modular kitchen and a lot of storage units like this. And now it's time to check the utility area. So this is your utility area, which is super spacious. You put your washing machine and other things, and this utility area comes with a stainless wash basin and storage unit, and there's a big window over here for ventilation. So this is your utility area and kitchen area. And now it's time to check the first bedroom. But before that, let's check the common bathroom. So this way to the common bathroom. So this is your common bathroom with antique tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, and there's a window for ventilation. So yes, it's super spacious. Now let's check the first bedroom. So this is your first bedroom with ample amount of space for your bed, wardrobe, and this bedroom comes with a window for ventilation, and the interiors are super amazing. Now let's check the second bedroom. So this way to the second bedroom. So this is your second bedroom with ample amount of space for your bed and wardrobe, and there are 2 windows in this room for ventilation and for natural sunlight, and the interiors are super amazing and marvelous. So yes, this is your wardrobe area, and right behind the door we have your dressing area. So yes, this is a dressing area with a big mirror, and there's a lot of space for storage units. And now it's time to check the bathroom. So this is a bathroom with antique tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, and there's a window for ventilation and storage spaces for storage units as well. So yes, this is the bathroom in the second bedroom. And now it's time to check the third bedroom, also known as the master bedroom. But before that, let's understand what Housey does for us. At Housey, we provide sample flat tour, actual location tour, the pros and cons, why you should invest in this project, the pricing details such as EMI and down payment, and 360-degree virtual project tour. And now let's head to the master bedroom. So this is your master bedroom, which is super spacious for your bed, wardrobe, your television area, study area and dressing area. And this master bedroom comes with the 2 windows over here and 1 over here for ventilation for natural sunlight. And now it's time to check the bathroom. So this is your bathroom with antique tiles, high-end sanitary equipment and window for ventilation. and yes, it has space for your storage units as well. So yes, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the project Highland Greens by the builder DSR, which is located at Sarjapura Road. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, do mention it in the comment section below. And if you have any feedback, we welcome all kind of constructive feedbacks. Before you go, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Housey to know about such wonderful project. See you in the next video. Bye. So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Highland Greens, which is located at Sarjapura Main Road by the builder DSR.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.